Hello, this short video will introduce you to the target viewer indicator and the use of horizontal lines to input your targets instead of the Alt T key click or the button for selecting the target viewer level. So to configure the indicator to look at where your horizontal lines are, where they're placed, and use those prices for determination of the levels, let's open up the indicator and make sure that it's configured right. First thing we need to do is we need to enable Hline input, horizontal line input. Instead of using Alt T and left click, you can have the indicator read the center price from a horizontally drawn line. Okay, so that's what we want. We want to enable that. And what also comes into play here is the specific tag field. Because if you have a dozen horizontal lines on the chart, all of them, all the horizontal lines will be red if you leave this field blank. So if I were to leave this blank, let's go ahead and leave it blank, and I'm going to draw a couple of horizontal lines. Let's go 1, let's go 2. Obviously, whenever I draw a horizontal line now, all lines will be used as a center price. Okay, so that's what that does. However, if you want to reduce that, if you want to only use this topmost horizontal line as the input into the target viewer for levels, I'm just going to say something like this. Let's call it signal. It can be anything. It's a specific tag. It's a string of characters that now we can connect the horizontal line to the indicator by means of this specific tag. Let's connect this line to the indicator by means of that specific tag. And very simply, what you do is you double click on the line, you go to data, and you'll see the tag value here, and it's usually a number starting out at 0. Well, I'm going to change the tag to contain the specific tag. So I typed in signal, and there we go. So signal, now this indicator is found the horizontal line that has the word signal in its tag, and that is the one that it follows for input. So let's go over that again. We have set the horizontal line input to true. We have given it a specific tag because we only want to have one of the horizontal lines be an input into the indicator. So whenever a horizontal line has the word signal in the tag, that horizontal line will be used as an input. For instance, let's say we want to add this one to the algorithm. You double click on that horizontal line, you go to data, and I'm just going to put the word signal in here. Oh, I didn't capitalize it. The tag is case sensitive. I only put the lowercase signal in here. I'm going to put uppercase signal and hit OK. The minute I do that, you see that we have the horizontal lines coming. So it's a unique feature. Again, it lets us limit the number of inputs to specific levels, so we can have some horizontal lines that are used as inputs, for instance these two, here and here, and we have some that are ignored, and that is because they do not contain the specific tag value. Again, if we want to use all horizontal lines that are drawn on the chart, we just delete that, leave it blank, hit OK, and now every horizontal line on the chart will have a series of targets according to our target settings. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.